Alright, so we're there at Jamaica. Yeah, once again. On the that Jamaica vlog them make me know. See there? People, the famous soup man.
Everywhere Mario go, Mario have to drink a jelly. With jelly bag and with meat inside. Oh my gosh. Smell good.
See that? Wanna see my plate? People, wanna see my plate?
Well, big up the Darby family, Dap.
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
Big up the Darby family, Dap.
Yeah.
Food changer, big up. Yeah, God bless God from birth.
Yeah.
You always prosperous. Your respect on nippy pen. Break it.
Welcome back to the Darby Family vlog. So, once again, we gotta be traveling. I should be vlogging from this morning or from last night. So, we're in Miami, heading to Jamaica. This is not even a month from Costa Rica. Like, this has been like for 3 weeks. Then we went to New York. We went to Costa Rica. Then 2 days later, we went to New York. And then now, a week later, we're in Miami, heading to Jamaica because my aunt passed away. So I gotta be going there to put her to rest. And right now, the flight them full brethren. So a whole heap of jump round. You know, overbook. So
Overbook, underbook,
all sort of book. Why them not stay at them yard? Why them love Jamaica? So we don't know how it go. Like they have 3 flights. Oh my gosh, you want to see the people people love Jamaica, you see? You want to see the crowd. Let me show them the crowd. So every time we're heading to Jamaica, this is what we see. The flight them full. Unless I go see somebody here, they're not chance, brethren. Not chance.
Right, so we're there at Jamaica. Jamaica just nice. It's just a peaceful environment. It's so much greenery, so much everything. It's just really nice. As me I say, that family vlog way out here stunting. DJ tough like dumpling.
Guys, I'm so tired.
So if I said we're there and look who is here. Look who there. So people, this certain individual, don't want to call on him, has been here trying to catch this fire. He catch, well, look like it a catch though, man. Yeah.
No, if you can't catch around them. No, but take all the plastic when tea from me. Him take my plastic, you never see him take out the one of my something.
Well, I'm people drama.
Them take out my something and go around there with it and I go back feet and know them a cuss give my team. When me walk on
Boy, you see the camera, boy?
So the thing catch. See that tape? Look there. The fire that catch the smoke. I'm sure you're fire, boy. See that?
Fire catch real. See? Chagwan. So people, she did it. Well, we see smoke, I don't know. But she did it, see there? She like country pound. She'll take some scraps people and I throw it and I pan it now. Lord God, woi. Cola blaze now. Yes, mama. Right, get in there, mama. Hey. Who can make fire bat? And Lexus say, girl, better can cook. And I you them talk to. But check, pot a cook, everything I simmer down. Fire! They be over there. Be a fly. And fish. Alright.
See this? Catch up on video.
She didn't make a catch her, she a thief a coal. I see it. We catch her redundant.
And then I'm going to say, me go around and go take them. So, where Mario Darby grew up. This is, you know, him hometown. You know, this is him playground. I'll show you him yard. Yeah. And this is his house over here. See that? That is all his family live over that house right there. Yeah.
If you not come Jamaica again.
Very so beautiful. Look at Jamaica. Jamaica nice. Panama they ready.
One have chicken foot. One have little bit of chicken foot.
So this is where Mario famous to buy the soap. The soap man. He love the soap man.
See it there? People, the famous soup man. See it there? Pot of bubble and thing. Excellent soup. Excellent place to come and get soup. Yeah, man. Want to know? Like that. So, if you don't want a yam, definitely. Dumpling and chicken foot. If you have. Why not chicken foot? You have chicken foot?
You gotta get your soup.
Yeah, I want to get my soup, man.
Let me see your soup, nice, no?
See that? People, every time I come here, I have to get my soup. I have okra. I have peas.
And cow skin there, no?
I have cow skin. I have, see cow skin there?
So the soup is right off Bay Farm Road, right? How much you pay for that?
$2.50.
$2.50 for that?
Yeah.
That's not bad, though.
People, that's like $1. That's like $2.
Alright, now Visionary and Pinky I'm gonna get food, chicken and fries, really good. I mean, $600 for the plate.
Which are pumpkin seed.
Anyway, we're showing the food and show them time. So yeah, guys, we stop at town right now. You know, Mario do. Everywhere Mario go, Mario have to drink a jelly. How much you pay for that jelly there?
I have 150 and 200.
150 and 200. Right on a Coronation Market. There we get to jelly in a bag, you see? Treating us nice. You can't go nowhere else to get them your treatment here. With jelly bag and with meat inside. You don't have to stand up there and drinking it like Mario with him himself.
Drink it out of the bag.
Yeah, where's the deal?
It's all about the bag. The jelly in the bag, guys.
We get a piece of melon right now and then road again. We just do a lot of shopping. Buy a lot of me too. We just buy a lot of ground provision. I will spend like $3,000 for it. Yeah, we have to vlog, you know, we have to vlog a nice place. Yeah.
Just tell them so when they come and Jamaica.
Yeah. When you come to Jamaica, make sure you find him. Him have the good things them. Right in front of Tivoli, right this as the enter Coronation. Yeah. 5.15 for that. A banana. A banana. Listen, don't watch all the banana. Them look them sweet. A pineapple. Oh my gosh. The pineapple, nice. Day 2, we're back on the road again. We're fair by. No, we're gonna buy fish. And we're at the same fish market where we were in Christmas. We never chase out nobody. Me that sell. Anyway, they must sing song over there. So the last time we never showed you guys where it was located or what it called. It really not a name. Deep sea distributor. This is the only name I see. But them sell all type of fish. All type of fish. Oh yeah, of course, the Pinky promoter. Yes.
Hey guys. That bump here just a bump though. Anyways, welcome back to the Darby Family vlog, guys. We're here. We're going to get some fish for set up tonight. So you list the fish them?
Hello.
Plus these two fishes.
So yeah, guys, we'll pull up. It was still the downtown. I will pull up and I will get a drive-through, downtown drive-through, and get some pepper shrimps. It tastes so good, but this, all of this liquid is pepper. So it really pepper. Watch it. But anyway, it's still delicious. And we also got plum. I don't know if you know this type of plum. It is not Jew plum. So guess what type of plum it is? Now I tell you. Mario over there so does eat and a watch plum certain trash all over him. He mean patty. He mean plum, he mean shrimp. Listen, we'll pull up through, we get a drive through, we get our plums, we get our shrimp. Okay. Look at that. It tastes so good. We'll get in real good from it. Mario, you like it? What it tastes?
It's amazing, bro. That's why I have to love Jamaica, yo. Come to Jamaica, you get all of the good things. Why? We eat a patty. I know if my mouth probably look crazy.
No, it look alright.
But we eat a patty, we eat a plum, pepper shrimp.
Natural.
But right now, I'm about to go around this and get 2 jelly. And it's amazing. It's just always a good time in Jamaica. Nothing to beat Jamaica.
And if you know we're there right now, we get a parking lot. So see the one inside, cause the gate man there, my collect. You can go over there so go park and do your walking. There's parking here. And about the plum, we pay like $100 for a bag. We start eat out of this bag already.
That's less than $1. That's like 50 cents.
So yeah, we pay $100 for this. And how much for the shrimp?
300.
300 for the shrimp, but it was way more than this. We eat it out already. So we got 2 bags of the plum. Them so sweet, all natural. Love it. Maria, watch out, you can't stop eating it, you know. I was then out of town. We park up and wait for the rest of the gang to come back. Them gonna to sale, go and buy plate, cups and stuff for the get together tonight. And tomorrow is the funeral, so guys, we have a lot to do today. So come. So we just come from market and Mario run make we come home and go.
Who said that?
Go in at the bathroom.
What? We're not doing that.
And then
no, we're not doing
that. No, we are back on the road. We are back on the road to go to the supermarket. Where we're going, Dijon?
This now make the vlog, so it don't matter.
Mega Mart. So we are going to Mega Market. No, we are set up for the
We are set up for the setting.
The setup. So the setup. The funeral is Thursday. Maybe I never tell them so we're there for another funeral, but we're here for another funeral. March, Mario aunt died.
Too much
This time my aunt died, so yeah, we are set up for that. So right now we are going Mega Mart. We just come from downtown for buy a lot of ground provision and season and stuff. So you are in there.
Welcome back to the Darby Family vlog, and we're here at Cane River.
Yeah. How do you even know that? The river has a name?
Yeah, his name is Cane River. And we're in beautiful Jamaica, as you can tell. This is the first time we're at Cane River. So let's see what it's all about, guys. So people, at the entrance to Cane River, we got some sort of, I don't know what is now, cave-like settings. Check it out. See there? Cave-like thing, some big stone, and a walk path. May I say, Kevin, say hi to the vlog, bro. What up, vlog world? See it there? Go down in this little dungeon thing. It's kind of cool. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Some little art.
Lion King.
Wow. People, this different. Wow. This is different. I don't know if the camera do it any justice, but telling you. Some people will finally reach to the fall, and it's beautiful. Yeah, and Tristan out there. Up! Yeah! You're up there! People, right now I'm in the water. Water kind of cold still. Wow! Wow! So people, this is the fall. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Nice, beautiful. Alright, so people, I'm gonna enjoy myself. So, we'll catch you back later on the vlog. Okay guys, so you guys made it to the end of the vlog. Unfortunately we didn't get to vlog us leaving Cane River, but as you can tell we had a lot of fun there. The whole family enjoyed themselves. We just got caught up in all the the activities, but thanks for hanging out with us. Like, share, subscribe, you know the thing them, do the right thing. And yeah, there's a lot more Jamaican vlog coming up, so just stay tuned. All right, Darby Family vlog out.
Place nice. Me dog them get in, cause I do it with faith and strong mind. But the pussy we step on land mine. Make it place nice, my chase size.
Bad.